मेरे घर आई, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी, चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार। मेरे घर आई, हो मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी। उसकी बातों में शहद जैसी मिठास, उसकी सांसों में इत्र की महकास, होंठ जैसे के भीगे भीगे गुलाब, गाल जैसे के दहके अनार। मेरे घर आई,
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। यारो मोहब्बत ही तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो
As I grew older, I thought that best part of my life is over. But I was handed over with a bundle of joy, my first grandchild. Then I realized that the best part has just begun. My little Chinu, very very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Hi Sanika. I must admit, when Ishan gave me the task of recording this video, I was really nervous because it has to meet your approval standards, and I decided to take help from Oxford Dictionary. But as I record the video today, my vocabulary and Oxford Dictionary both take a bow for not being able to find the right words to justify the expression of joy and happiness that I have on your birthday today as I make this video. Since the day you were born, the kind of joy and happiness you brought into our lives cannot be put into words. And over all these days, not years, months, the way it's grown many folds. You'll remember the times when you were in Pune and Papa couldn't handle more than 15 days of Sanika not being around. And with this entire lockdown and the period, those 15 days have actually now shortened to 15 minutes. If I don't hear your voice or you saying mama for more than 15 minutes, I need to do my round of check. Where's my baby? Wish you a very, very happy birthday, wonderful year ahead, and may God fulfill all your dreams and wishes. Lots of love and hug, Papa.
Happy birthday, Sanika. Have a lovely day with your friends, family. And I know you're going to miss some of your friends, but I'm sure you'll be able to catch up with them later. May you have a wonderful year ahead. May you be able to achieve all your goals, all your dreams become true. Have a blast on your day. I love you, Vika. I feel like singing that song which I used to sing for you when you were small, right? Because that's what you mean to me. मेरे दिल में तू ही तू है, दिल की दवा क्या करूं, दिल ही तू है, जा भी तू है, तुझ पे खुदा क्या करूं। Love you. Have a lovely, lovely day and a wonderful year ahead. Because you are the only one, Sanika Devan, in this whole world. The best daughter, best sister, best granddaughter. And I'm sure all your friends will vouch for it, that you are one of the best friends that anybody could ever ask for. Always remain the confident, joyous, lovely lady that you are, spreading love, care all around you. Love you, Beta. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, dear Chilu.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chilu.
Hey, my beautiful doll Sanika, wish you a very, very happy birthday. May God Almighty bless you with all His blessings of happiness, success, prosperity, and good times always. Have a blast, Sanika. Loads and loads of love and best wishes for you, the most beautiful girl around, known to me. Best of luck. Have a blast, Gudia. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Chilu. May God bless you. Have a wonderful time and have a blast.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Didi, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great one. I'll see you soon. I'll come super soon to meet you. Hope you have fun.
Hi Sanika, many happy returns of the day. I hope you have a brilliant day and hopefully I'll see you very soon.
Hi love, wish you a very happy birthday and I wish I was there to celebrate this epic day, but मैं नहीं हूँ and we can't do epic shit, but कोई बात नहीं. I guess we'll just have to like compile and make a list of all the stuff that we should have done if I was there on your birthday, but हम बाद में कर लेंगे वो चीज़ें. Anyway, I love you so much and I wish I get to see you very soon. शादी कर ले यार please. I'll have something to do and also I'll have an opportunity to get dressed. और वैसे भी now you're old enough ना, तो yeah. Anyway, I miss you. Happy birthday again. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, my dear Janu one. 24 finally. बधाइयों. First of all, really sorry for not being there. I know हमने बहुत प्लान किया था मेरे बर्थडे के लिए, but I promise to make it up for it. And हाँ, याद है ना मेरा बैचलर के ऊपर थ्रो करना है. So obviously मेरा बैचलर तेरा बर्थडे साथ में मनाएंगे, साथ में मचाएंगे. अच्छे से प्लान करना. Just okay. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Miss me. I miss you too. Love you.
Here it is. It's finally your birthday. You've been reminding me it's my birthday for weeks now. So happy birthday. I know once this lockdown is lifted, you're going to seize the day because that's what you do, that's what you're good at. So I really hope your 24 is just fabulous, just like you. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Chal, I'll meet you soon. Happy birthday, darling.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Sanika. Hope you have a great year ahead. When it's sad, we won't be around to smash a cake in your face this year, but be careful the next time we meet. It was a threat.
Sanu, happy birthday to my favorite thing it seems. There has never been a dull moment with you. Thanks for always being there. I don't need to say much, you know how much I love you. Please enjoy your birthday. I don't have to say this again, but like it sounds nice. And I'm missing you, and just meet me super soon. I hope to see you soon too. Bye.
Sanu, ek pal chain na aave. Happy birthday, my personal bebo.
Happy birthday, Sanika. Lots of love to you. A big tight hug from my end. I wish we could be there and celebrate your birthday the way we did last year. It was such a huge celebration. But enjoy your quarantine birthday. It's something different and it's a trend-setting thing these days, so which is your thing. And we'll meet soon and we'll celebrate it with a lot more celebration and a lot of hot and soft drinks. And a lot of love from my end to you. Happy birthday.
Hi Sanika, happy birthday, happy 24th, had lots of fun, bye.
Hi Pandey, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, Happy birthday to our dear Pandey. पांडे अब तो 24 की हो गई है, तो प्लीज़ अपने आप को यंग और स्मार्ट बोलना बंद कर दे। और ये वीडियो मैं पब्लिक में रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ, तो आई होप तुझे पता है तो कितनी स्पेशल और इम्पॉर्टेंट है, बट सिर्फ आज के लिए। एंड माई बर्थडे विश फॉर यू इज़ कि तुझे जल्दी से ट्विन्स हो, जल्दी से नहीं बट ट्विन्स ही हो। हैप्पी बर्थडे पांडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू पांडे। ये ले बालाजी की तरफ से पुच्ची। एंड आई लव यू सो मच। और ये देखिए मेरी नेचुरल ब्यूटी है, दिस इज़ नॉट अ फिल्टर, मैं ऐसी दिखती हूँ। और यार आई मिस यू सो मच एंड आई लव यू सो मच। तेरे लिए हम इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, मुझे यकीन तक नहीं होता है, बट दिन ठीक है, तू है स्पेशल हमारे लिए, समझी है। बट आई होप हम जल्दी से मिले। ओके बाय।
Hey Sanika, wish you a very happy birthday. Party hard and let's meet soon. Cheers.
Happy birthday Sanika. Hope to meet you soon.
Sunny, happy birthday. I'm wishing you an extremely exciting year ahead to stumble upon, and I wish you nothing but the best in life. I really hope to see you on the other side of the world, so I have somebody here to gossip with. Apart from that, शादी कब करी है यार? Bye.
Hi Sanika, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. I'm so sorry I'm not there to celebrate with you this time, but yeah, next time probably soon. And let's do Goa again, all the memories, and please always consider me your official photographer. I will never mind clicking your pictures, and have fun, enjoy your day, and love you. Bye.
Happy birthday Bunty, we love you.
Hi Sanika, wish you a very happy birthday. I really believe your smile lights up the room, so keep on smiling and wish you the best in life.
Happy birthday Sanika, we love you.
Yo, happy birthday Chabi. Have an amazing day and an amazing year. Don't forget your pizza party still pending. Anyway, happy birthday once again. Cheers.
Happy birthday Sanika, have an amazing 24th.
Hi my chubby bunty. Happy birthday. Lots and lots of love to you always. Let's say it in Hindi for you once. Janamdin ki hardik shubhkamnaएं. Lots of love. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday Sanika. A good one. Because everyone is saying it and I'm going to say it. We love you. We really do.
Hey Sanika, wishing you a really happy 35th birthday. I know you've been doing this forever for other people, so it's pleasantly surprising that it's happening for you. But I must say that I hope we could have done this in person also, although we've already done one party. But yeah, never say no to parties, more and more coming in. Also, thank you for being the chipku gel of the group, because of which kind of the group is being held together. Otherwise, Yash would have split it into pieces long back. So that's a good thing.
Happy birthday Sanika.
Happy birthday Sanika Didi.
Hey Sanika, a very happy birthday to you. Hope you have an amazing day. Party hard and be safe, and I'm hoping to see you really soon. Lots and lots of love. Love you.
Happy birthday baby sister. मैं भी आपकी वीडियो एडिट कर रहा हूँ जो भी आप देख रहे होगे, और आप हमेशा बोलते हो कि मैं आपकी गिफ्ट हूँ, और बहुत आयरॉनिक है कि आपकी गिफ्ट अभी आपका गिफ्ट प्रिपेयर कर रही है, तो थोड़ा सोचो इसके बारे में काका, इसके इम्प्लिकेशंस के बारे में सोचो, उसके सोशियो इकोनॉमिक वेरिएबल्स के बारे में सोचो काका। ओके, हैव फन, हैप्पी बर्थडे।